You asked, how to divide 31,252 by 5 using the long division method. 3 is too small. Use 31. 31 divided by 5 equals 6. 6 times 5 equals 30. 31 minus 30 equals 1. Bring down 2, making 12. 12 divided by 5 equals 2. 2 times 5 equals 10. 12 minus 10 equals 2. Bring down 5, making 25. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. 25 minus 25 equals 0. Bring down 2, making 2. 2 divided by 5 equals 0. 0 times 5 equals 0. 2 minus 0 equals 2. The remainder is 2. The final result is 6,250 remainder 2.